Hello and welcome. This video tutorial is part 2 of a two-part e-learning production by the Mercy College Faculty Center for Teaching and Learning titled Welcome to Wimba. This video tutorial has been created to help you perform lecture capture using Wimba Classroom. In order to accomplish the assigned task, which is to create a 10 to 15 minute video of yourself teaching, you will need 3 pieces of hardware. These 3 things are a computer, a webcam, and a microphone. A laptop computer will work best, as you can position it and reposition it as needed. The webcam you use should be an external device, like the one you see in this photograph. Most laptops today are made with built-in webcams, but these do not offer very good video quality, and you may find the resulting video inadequate. I would advise you to test the quality of video created by your internal webcam before you decide to use it for this or any other school projects. Finally, you will need a USB microphone. Any brand will do. I chose this Dynex mic because it was the least expensive microphone available. Using the microphone built into your webcam will not produce good audio recordings. If you try to use it, your project will suffer. Once you have your gear, it's time to Wimba. Attach your devices via the USB connectors and open Wimba Classroom. You learned how in tutorial 1 of our series, Welcome to Wimba. In order to optimize Wimba to record your lecture properly, you need to change a couple of settings. First, you need to make sure that you can record sound continuously without having to hold down the talk button. In order to do this, you have to activate Lock Talk. To do this, navigate to the Options menu and scroll to Lock Talk and click. A check mark should appear next to Lock Talk in the menu. For recording your audio, you will want to use the microphone you installed, not the default. To change the setting, you navigate to the Audio Input submenu of the Options menu, the same menu where you found Lock Talk. In the Audio Input submenu, find the input device you want to use and click. Make sure to test that your microphone is working correctly. If it is, the recording level indicator will be near the red when you speak normally into the mic. This is important because if the input is set too low, your voice will be too soft or inaudible, and if it's too loud, your voice will be distorted. Next, we need to set the video input device. If the external webcam is the only video device installed, Wimba will default to it. If you have an internal webcam and an external webcam attached to your laptop, you'll need to manually select the external webcam or Wimba will default to the internal camera. Navigate to Video Input and make sure the correct device is selected. If your computer defaults to your internal webcam, your video will be severely out of focus. Orient the webcam so that it covers the area you will be using to teach. Next, you need to set the audio recording levels. To do this, navigate to the settings below the main content area here. If you're using a wired USB mic like the one in the video, move both audio level sliders all the way to the top of their range. This is important because when you step back from the mic, Wimba will need the highest possible levels to make a good audible recording. If you are using a handheld microphone, check to make sure that your recording level is in the green-yellow range for optimal quality. With your recording levels set, the last thing to do is to set Wimba to record. In Wimba, these recordings are called archives. You want to create an archive. So click the Record Archive button in the top right of the Wimba Classroom window. A rather loud voice will announce, "Archive started." At this point, you should see yourself in the video window, and as you speak, you should see the audio input levels moving up and down the scale from yellow to green. If these indicators are working properly, you are set up correctly. As of now, the tutorial is complete. The rest is up to you. This has been Paul Damaris for the Faculty Center for Teaching and Learning at Mercy College. Good luck with your projects.